Having door problems, I see. Well, if you can break it, we can fix it. Davis Door Service is family-owned and been in business for 15 years. We service Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Mid-Cities, South Lake, and all surrounding areas. Davis Door Service takes pride in the service we provide our customers and offer same-day service. At Davis Door Service, we specialize in broken springs, garage door repairs, and openers, as well as installation. We service all makes and models. Mention this video and get $25 off. Contact us for more information at 817-572-2938 or online at davisdoorservice.com.